Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to fix if one or more parts of your model is see-through on Roblox Studios. So see, you got your mess right there, and then you imported it, and like one or more parts are see-through. So to fix, there's two fixes for this. You can either just easy, double-sided, and then it should fix it. But if that doesn't fix it, you can go back to your model, go to here, go to face orientation, and see how some of them are red. You're gonna have to select those faces in edit mode, go to mesh, go to normals, and then flip. And then now, as you can see, they're all blue. And if you export this and put it into here, as you can see, it should fix it. So that's the two fixes on what to do if your mesh is partway see-through.